Hi there, Southeast Idaho. Welcome to your Eastern Idaho planning briefing for March 2nd. It's been a cold early morning this morning, particularly across the Sawtooth area, the Stanley Basin, and portions of the Eastern Highlands early this morning. But fear not, we do have a warming trend forecast for later this week, in particular on Friday. Other weather events of concern will be some areas of snow in the forecast for the highland areas Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, our satellite view for this morning is pretty clear across our area. We don't have a whole lot in store for today anyway, but we do see some moisture further to our north um, and over Montana as well. Okay, so highlighted areas on the impact overview graphic depict the cold temperatures in the Sawtooth area and the highlands, and also in the Bear Lake region. We don't want to leave them out. And a possibility of some early morning fog across portions of the Snake River Plain, but we're not really seeing that develop today. It is again possible across portions of the Snake Plain tomorrow morning as well. Otherwise, we're pretty impact-free across the area today. Again, we talked about the light snow across portions of the highlands, the eastern highlands and the southeast highlands tomorrow, and again on Wednesday. But accumulations aren't much on either of these 2 days. So we'll show a graphic showing you just how much snow we're expecting, but this is light snow. And then we won't leave out Lemhi County here. We're also seeing the possibility of some snow development on Wednesday as well. And then you see nothing on our boards here for Thursday and Friday. So we have some clear and quiet weather ahead. Okay, low temperatures this morning across our area. Note the almost widespread areas of below zero that depicted in this darker blue color. So we're chilly this morning, and highlighted here the Stanley Basin and the Island Park area and across the Arco Desert. We will be warming to the mid-40s across the eastern Magic Valley and the lower Snake River Plain, and not even expected to reach the 32-degree mark in Idaho Falls today, so we're still chilly today, but we will be warming just gradually as we go through the week. Low temperatures for tomorrow morning recover a little bit, so we're not quite as cold as we're expected to be this morning, but still pretty cold. We're at least in the double digits for the low temperatures now. But look at this highlight for Friday. We're into the 60s. Yep, 60s for a high temperature in the eastern Magic Valley and the lower Snake River Plain. So something to look forward to later this week. Okay, back to our snowfall amounts for tomorrow and Wednesday. Note it's not much. We're not accumulating the snow in those areas, but we're looking at about an inch for Island Park for both of those 2 days if we're talking about all of the snow possible Tuesday and Wednesday. Wind speeds for today, we are seeing some breezes already out there out of the west and the southwest across the Snake River Plain, and then those northwesterly winds out of the central mountains, and those will increase a little bit as we go through the afternoon here. So we do have winds about 20-25 miles an hour in the eastern Magic Valley, and just a little bit lighter as we scoot to the north and northeast. And then, of course, winds will start to improve by later this evening after sunset. Tomorrow afternoon, winds are not much of a concern, especially compared to today. So we're seeing really light and calm winds, even in some cases not seeing much of a primary direction in some cases. Okay, so to sum up our next couple of days here, we've got cold temperatures this morning with a gradual buildup as we go through the week, highlighting our pretty warm temperatures to look forward to by Friday. Areas of snow forecast in the eastern and southeast highlands Tuesday and Wednesday, but not accumulating to a whole much of snow on the ground by the end of that period. And that's all we had for you this morning. It's a pretty mild, fair weather week this week. But if you do have any questions or concerns, you can always give us a call. We're here on the website, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. We can answer you directly as you watch this video. And other than that, we appreciate you watching, and we will talk to you tomorrow on our recorder briefing tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.